Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 24.5-inch gaming monitors. So friend, MSI has recently unveiled the G253PF, a new 24.5-inch gaming monitor that boasts a lightning fast 380Hz refresh rate and impressive 1 millisecond G2G response time. Designed specifically for e-sport enthusiasts, and this monitor is equipped with Rapid IPS panel that also features DisplayHDR 400, VESA Adaptive Sync and G-Sync compatibility, and the full HD resolution may disappoint some users. The TUV Rhineland-certified anti-flicker and low blue light technologies and 178-degree viewing angles provide a comfortable gaming experience. And friend, other notable panel specs include a 1000 jam 1 contrast ratio with a dynamic mega contrast, 10 bpc color and maximum brightness of 320 to 400 nits, and the monitor comes with an HDMI 2.0b connection which limits the refresh rate to 240 Hz and achieve the maximum refresh rate of 330 Hz, and DisplayPort 1.4 connection must be used and the panel overclock from within the OSD settings. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.